Hello, welcome either to or back to my channel. This video is very highly requested and it is a room tour. So I'm going to be showing you stuff in my room, where I kind of got it from, and just giving you a more in-depth look at my room because I've never done that before. I've sort of posted snippets of my room on my TikTok before. I've never done like an in-depth room tour video, so that's what I'm doing today. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll check back in at the end. Okay, so we're starting from where you walk in. This is probably familiar to people. Excuse behind my TV. I am very much a out of sight, out of mind type person, so this is just a bit of a pan of my room when you first walk in. So from here you can sort of see my wall and my wall decorations, obviously Funko Pops. This is a print I got from a business that is unfortunately no longer in business, which is very devastating. My Chemical Romance poster from when I went to see them a couple of years ago. And then we have my weird cupboard, I guess you could describe it. I just keep it open so that I can display stuff. I do love Big Bang Theory. I've seen the whole show. My favourite is the first couple of seasons. I feel like it starts to get a bit repetitive. I don't know. I wasn't really that happy with the ending, but I've had this poster for years, so I just like to hang it there. And then here are some posters from my beloved Kerrang magazine, and then just like stickers that I've collected and stuff, because even though I'm 23, I decorate my room like I'm a teenager. And then in the cupboard we have some storage that is from a sketchbook, I believe. And then we have part of my Funko Pop collection. There is some hiding around here. But yeah, these are some cool ones. This one is signed, which is really cool. I got it signed at a Comic-Con a couple of years ago. These are probably like my most prized possessions, to be honest with you. And then down here we have toothbrushes, which I know is random, but I keep them in my room. Childhood teddies. And then this is actually my mum's old boombox. It's very old, it doesn't work, but I think it looks sick. And then we have my prized possession again, Twilight New Moon jewelry box, and then some roses that my boyfriend got me that I dried out and I kept. They are dusty, but I'm scared to dust them in case they break. And then more prized possessions, Twilight Funko Pops. I do not have Jacob. I'm working on it. And then just to show off, these are probably like some of my most prized Funko Pops. So obviously we have Katniss Everdeen. Was very psyched when I got this. Sadly, it got like slightly damaged in the post, if you can see. I was really annoyed about it, but you can't really tell. And then obviously I have Coraline. I got that maybe like 3 or 4 years ago. Like very special to me, basically. And then here we have my desk. There is some miscellaneous like shit on it at the moment. This is my tripod laptop. I'm charging my Switch, new phone, just some random stuff that I've ordered. But again, these are my Monster High dolls, as you can see. Prized possessions once again. This is really cool. It's like a terrarium almost. I got it when I went to Canada and I went to Spirit Halloween, and it's obviously Corpse Bride, and I saw it and I was like, I need that. Once again, I have Coraline in the tunnel. I'm still conflicted as to whether to take her out of the box. I don't know. These are some Skull Panda figurines. I have a few and they're really cute. And again, Lydia Dietz Funko Pop, prized possession of mine. And just some other like sort of miscellaneous bits and pieces. Another Monster High doll, the new Lydia Dietz Funko Pop, which is really cool. And then behind here, if I move this stuff, I have an Alice in Wonderland Funko Pop, which again, prized possession of mine. And I have some plants. I have a mixture of real and fake plants. This is just my little like makeup skincare bit of my room. Here we have Louise, my favorite, and then a couple of perfumes and a couple of extra cute little babies. And then in here I just keep my most used like palettes, makeup. Obviously this one I use a shit ton. Now we're at my windowsill. Here are some of my plants. These are real. This one is towering for some reason. I'm not a very avid plant person, so I think I need to get that a bigger pot because this is tiny. And now we have the part of my room that everyone's probably seen the most, which is my bedding. And then this sort of corner here, I get a lot of comments about this poster picture thing. I met the actress at a Comic-Con a few years ago, and I took this to get signed, but I left it in my car. So I have another picture that is signed, but I do really wish I got this one signed, but it is what it is. I have a picture of me with her and I will put it here just for proof. This canopy I made myself. I just sort of bought this. This is supposed to be a curtain, but you can like see the bits where it holds up. And then this is just a piece of fabric that I think I got from AliExpress. And then here you can see my cute little Sylvanian Families baby collection. This is a map of Halloween Town from Nightmare Before Christmas, and I got it when I went to Canada once again. I got this from Hot Topic. I was very overwhelmed when I was in there and I didn't know what to buy. I wanted to buy everything, so yeah, but this is what I landed on buying. Then we have my blankets and this bedspread. So this bedspread is from eBay, but you can also get it on Amazon. This cushion cover is from Vinted, so I'm not sure the brand or anything. And then these two pillowcases behind, they kind of match, but they're a lighter blue. I got these are an actual vintage bed set, but the duvet cover is just too big for my bed because it's a king and my bed is just like a small double, so I just use the pillowcases for now. And then here we have more evidence of my obsession with Twilight. These are, well, this one is definitely an original bag, and I believe this one is original too. I just think it was in storage somewhere because it's in a lot better condition than this one. This is from like 2008. It's old. And I was psyched when I found it on eBay because I had an obsession with Twilight a few years ago. I still have an obsession, but I had an obsession with buying Twilight merch, and now obviously it's had a resurgence and it's come back and you can actually buy Twilight merch new because they're remaking it all again. But at that time they didn't, so I was just buying secondhand stuff and it was all really expensive. And then of course I have a little teddy corner. As you can see, the Heffalump is my favorite Disney character and has been since I was a child. Ironic that it's also purple, so yeah, but do not be fooled, there are very many corners of my room that are very messy. This is a pile of stuff that I need to sell, so yeah. And then just down there is just a bunch of random stuff and I just thought I'd cover it over. This is another curtain that I put up as a canopy, and I just put this one up as well. And then obviously we have a frame from Friends. It was originally a picture frame and I just pushed the back out and hung it up. I'm a huge Friends fan. It's actually kind of insane how obsessed with Friends I am. It's very nostalgic for me. Please excuse the cobwebs. I don't de-cobweb my room very often. But yeah, I have a ridiculous obsession with Friends, so I figured, oh my god, put that against the wall. My wall is purple. That looks like the door from the show because their door is purple. So yeah, that was like a little homage for me. It's been a few days, but there are a few things that I forgot to film. So this is a snack cart that I have. I buy a lot of snacks, obviously, to keep in my room, and I just needed something to put them on instead of just like keeping them in a Tesco bag on the floor. I do still have a corner with mess that I need to deal with. I did just go shopping, that's why there is a Tesco bag right there with some food in it. But yeah, I just thought, I saw so many people have these cute little snack carts and I was like, I want one of those. I also just kind of wanted to show my room when it's sort of starting to get dark, the sun is starting to set, and like I've got my like purple lights on, and it just is such a nice vibe, you know. I love purple. Purple is my happy place and my room is my happy place. Yeah, but I just wanted to show you like what it's kind of looking like once it starts to get dark because the vibe is so nice in here. By the way, just if anyone is wondering, these prints, these are from a Comic-Con I went to. This is secondhand, I got it from a charity shop. This I got from a seller on Vinted who basically frames spiderwebs, which is super cool. This is from a aquarium that I went to in Plymouth that my boyfriend surprised me and took me to, and I got that. And then this is actually just a birthday card. So now moving on to this section. This I bought secondhand off of Vinted. I think it was originally from like B&M or something and someone just sold it. Like I said before, the company that made this print and actually the print over here, the Coven one, they went out of business and I was very, very upset about it when they did. I have another print from them, but I haven't framed it yet. This photo frame I got from Flying Tiger quite a while ago, and I haven't had anything to put in it because it's not actually A5. So none of the prints that I own fit in it, which is really inconvenient. This is just a little jelly cat. And then these two prints I got from Kew Gardens. So all of these stickers I've just collected. Some of them are actually tags from things I've bought. So, you know, kind of random, but these 3 are posters from Kerrang magazines because I used to collect them. They do not print them anymore, which is so sad. And then this is just a gift that I got quite a few years ago, because at the time when Stranger Things first came out, I was very, very obsessed with it. I do still love Stranger Things, I just want to preface that, but I've had this for years and years. So when it comes to all of my Funko Pops, pretty much all of them I bought secondhand. Some of them I bought brand new, like the Ellie Funko Pop, I bought that brand new. The Grogu one, bought that brand new. Corpse Bride ones, I also bought brand new. But pretty much all of the other ones I've found secondhand. Like, I'm quite an avid secondhand like hunter, basically. Like, all of this is secondhand as well. And then obviously my Monster High dolls are secondhand as well. They obviously don't make these ones anymore. I just am such once I have my sights set on something, I just need to find it. I have got a tutorial up on how to sort of like thrift online, but I'm happy to like revisit that and do a more in-depth one because it was a tutorial slash a haul, and it was mostly a haul of stuff that I'd found. And then just to finish in the last corner of my room, I have a gigantic IKEA wardrobe. I kind of wish I had a different one, but it's just what I have. And then on top of my wardrobe, I have some like pictures and just some like other really random stuff, and this cute little strawberry lamp that I've had since I was really young. So that is my room. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions as to where I've bought certain things, I am happy to answer those questions for you. I don't know quite what vibe I would necessarily say my room is like aesthetically, if you wanted to do something similar, but I would say it's definitely inspired by like, you know, like Whimsigoth and just like a bit gothic with the drapery that I have put up, but mostly maintaining a very purple theme, if you couldn't tell already. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you have any suggestions for other videos you would like to see, please leave them down in the comments, and I hope to see you next time.